Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're ready to give your Notion workspace a fresh look and truly make it your own, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to change your profile picture on Notion in 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to update your avatar in just a few clicks, adding a touch of personality to your online workspace and making it easier for collaborators to recognize you. Let's dive straight in. First up, open your Notion app or head to Notion on your browser. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical panel. This is what we call the left pane. Look here for the Settings option. Sometimes it looks like a little gear icon, other times it might just say Settings and Members, but it's always on that left sidebar. Go ahead and click it. This will open up Notion's Settings menu for your account. Next, at the top of the Settings window, you'll see your profile name displayed, usually alongside your email address or workspace info. It might be tempting to explore other tabs here, but what you want is that area right at the top that shows your name. Click your profile name. This is where Notion collects your personal details, like email, name, and yes, your profile picture. Now, you'll see your current profile photo, if you already have one set. Here's the fun part. Click directly on your profile picture. If you haven't set one before, there might be a generic icon, like a circle or a placeholder image. Either way, give that a click. Once you do, a window will pop up, letting you browse files on your computer. This step is super intuitive. You're essentially telling Notion, here's the photo I want to use to represent me. If your computer's file browser feels a bit cluttered, don't worry. Take a moment to navigate to the folder where you've saved your new profile picture. Pro tip, choose a clear, friendly photo of yourself or even a favorite avatar. Anything recognizable works well. Double check that the image is a common format like .jpg or PNG. Notion likes those best. Select your desired photo, then click Open. You may notice Notion takes a moment to upload the image, especially if you've chosen a high-resolution photo. That's totally normal. Just give it a few seconds. Once it's done, the new photo should appear instantly on your profile within Notion. And that's it. You've successfully given your workspace a new look, and your teammates or collaborators will see the fresh image the next time they open Notion. Changing your profile picture might seem straightforward, but it really helps build a more personal and engaging workspace. It makes team communication warmer and more human. Think of it like putting your favorite coffee mug on your desk or adding a plant to your workspace. It's a small touch, but it goes a long way. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments. If you ran into a snag or want tips for choosing the perfect profile photo, I'm here to help. And for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.